So here we're given these 4 digits, and we're asked to find all possible 4-digit numbers. They're all distinct and they're non-zero. So for example, it could be 6731, and we're asked to create all possible ones. So for example, 7361, 7163, so on and so forth. So the first thing we know right away is that if they are distinct, the total number would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 4 factorial, or 24 of these. And then we have to add these up. So if you look at the pattern, if the first one is A, then we'll get 6 of these, because these remaining 3 digits can be arranged in 6 different ways. So B, D, C. I'm just going to write all of them so you can kind of see the pattern. C, B, D, A, C, D, B, A, D, B, C, A, D, C, B. So these are the 6 of them. And then same thing will happen with B, will be B, A, C, D, so on and so forth. So what you will see, and same thing with C's and then D's. And the key thing you'll note is that there will be 6 A's in the thousands digit. So if you're adding them all up, you can think of this as same as 1000 A, 100 D, this first one, 10 C plus D. Same thing with the second one. Is going to be 1000 A plus 100 B plus 10 D plus C. So we're adding these up. So we can just add the thousands, and we have 6 of those. So we'll get a contribution of 6000 A. Now we'll also have 6 digits in B's, C's, and D's. So we'll get 6000 B, 6000 C. So I'm trying to get you to see what the pattern would be. And so that means this, just the thousands would contribute this much to the sum. And same thing when we do with the hundreds digit, we'll have 6 B's, 6 A's, 6 C's, 6 D's, the same number. So we will get 600 A plus B plus C plus D. And same thing for the tens digit. We'll get 60 A plus B plus C plus D, and then 6 units digit of A's, B's, C's, and D's. So you can see the sum, and this is a general property. If you add them all up by factoring A plus B plus C plus D, this is going to be 6,666. So some of you might know this result. I think it's good to have seen it in some form. Obviously doing this in the exam is kind of difficult and stressful. But that's what this sum would be, and they're telling us that this is equal to plus n, where this is a single digit number, 7, 6, something like that. So here we need to figure out what this is. So what we can do is if we just divide 153310 by 666. So we're just trying to get an idea how close is that number. So if you divide this, you get 22.998, so very close. So I'm going to just multiply 666 by 23. And if you do that, because that was 22.99, so I increased it to 23. This comes out to be 153318, which means that if I split this, that's 8, and this number is 23. They're asking us for the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus N. N is 8. Those digits add up to 23. Their sum is 31. So that's the answer.